Alright, so I'm gonna end the stream because it's cutting in and out. I'm gonna have to figure out what's doing it. I think too many devices are connected to the internet in the house. But I just want to explain it. So the Nas trade right here, we waited for the 15 minute to go into a sell, and it didn't happen. And actually, the 1 minute went into a buy. So that's confirming the trend direction is up. Plus, we have the momentum cross. You see that little blue target? That means the momentum shifted into a buy. Based off our mathematics, the moving averages I use, they correlate into a trend direction. So that means it's in a buy. So we got two confirmations of the buy now, and the scanner is just confirming because you see it's predominantly buying. So we're gonna just stay in the buy for this Nas trade. Hopefully, anybody who caught this live stream, you understood the breakdown of what I'm doing, and I'm gonna put this together a little bit better for you guys later. But for now, I just wanted people to be able to come and refer to what the robot is doing and look at all the trades. Okay, so right now, like I said, I'm on a 1 hour, so I kind of watch the trend direction on the 15 minute. You want to use the 15 and the 30 for the 1 hour, and then you want to start from the lower time frame and go up. You don't want to start from the higher time frame. A lot of people do from the higher time frame, and that's the actual wrong way to do it. You should do it from the lower time frame. So that's why I was able to stay in this Nas buy, and it's a risk-free trade because my break even is already intact. The robot put my position in break even. So this is a risk-free trade. So if it was to somehow back up into my stop loss, I would still be in profit. Okay, so that's the whole point of the robot. So it managed to trade for me live. Y'all saw it happen live. Y'all saw it get managed live. And there's a trade. You see that Audi Nas? That's 15 pips against me, right? So this is what I do in situations like that. What I'm gonna do is go to my phone. I'm gonna look at that trade and I'm gonna clip it. Boom, and that's how that works. You see, I don't waste time with trades that go 10 pips or more against me because I got too many trades running in my favor. So I just closed it. So y'all got to see what this is, and like I said, I will do a better breakdown of these and go live and talk on the charts. But for now, there were a lot of new people coming to the social media platforms, and I wanted y'all to see what the robot's like. So yeah, so we're gonna hold this Nas trade a little longer, and we're gonna see how it plays out because, like I said, I just got another confluence that the trade was a buy. Also, for those of you who trade fair value gaps, we could zoom in on this and see if, yeah, you see these two blocks right here. These are two fair value gaps for those who trade gaps. A lot of y'all trade supply and demand off gaps. We got the low of the day acting as a demand zone, so that's signaling the buy. You got the MA cross, that's signaling the buy. You have the supply and demand fair value gaps. These are buy sibs, meaning the buy imbalances. So for those of y'all who trade the fair value gaps or gaps and supply and demand, you got all three confluences. You got your buy imbalance, you got your MA cross, you got your demand zone. What more do you guys want? Even though it's trying to push down heavy like this, we're gonna stay in this trade a little bit longer and we're gonna ride it out and see, because this is kind of moving in a way that I don't trust, and we got too many confluences that it's gonna buy. So if it pushes into my stop loss, the beauty of the robot is it'll put me back in the trade. So we really don't got nothing to worry about if it happens to hit the break even. You see? So we're good on this buy right now. I believe it's buying, even though the market is downtrending. It turned into a buy, and we both know, if you've been following me for a while, that everything is usually gonna buy on indices. But if you pay attention to US 30, that's definitely looking kind of crazy how it became so bearish. So we gotta watch it because usually these pairs correlate, and for US 30 to be selling, that's not a good thing. For Nas to be buying and it to be selling, that's usually not the case. But like I said, we'll keep an eye on it because the market's been selling for the past week. Now we got to get some kind of recovery. So we need to see some buys. And I'm watching Bitcoin because Bitcoin was selling for so long. I'm thinking that we need to see some kind of recovery on that as well. And that's it. So that's the breakdown. Y'all got to see the robot trade live. And refer to these low live streams that I'm going to leave up for y'all to look at the robot and see what it's doing, okay? And this video right here, I'm leaving as an explainer of the last live stream that you saw for an hour. And I will come on here and go live a little bit better, and y'all get to see how I take